All right, guys, this is question 32 from the June 2025 Regents exam. It's a quadratic, and they want us to use the quadratic formula, and they want us to leave the radical as a radical, but they want it in simplest radical form. So as soon as you see that, see those words, you know that you're going to be focusing on the b squared minus 4ac part. So first thing, the a is 6, B is 2, and the constant C is a -1. So here's what our formula says. We're going to have a -2 plus or minus. This is going to be 2 squared minus 4 times 6 times a -1. And then on the bottom, it's going to be 2 times 6. Now, you got to put this in order to get credit for doing it algebraically using the quadratic formula. And then we're going to focus on this part, b squared minus 4ac. So, now let's go use the calculator. So I'm going to go here, go to the calculator screen. I'm going to store those numbers, 6, store into A, whoops, not X. Delete that. I'm gonna delete that in A. Then I'm gonna do 2, and I'm gonna store that into B. And then I'm gonna take a -1. I'm gonna store that into C. And then boom, got it. Now I'm just gonna focus on the b squared minus 4ac part. So b squared minus 4a times c. Press enter, and boom, I got 28. Now I'm going to do menu 23, and I'm going to get the factors for 28. And I see that's 2. So if I come over here now, I can finish this. So this is, uh, so let me blow this back up. So this is 28, which is 2 times 2 times 7. So I can take a pair of 2's out of there. Boom. So this is going to be 2 square root of 7. So my answer is going to be x equals a -2 plus or minus 2 times the square root of 7 over 12. And then I can divide everything by 2. So this is going to be my final answer, a -1 plus or minus 1 square root of 7 over 6. That's my answer. That's 4 points. Keep it moving. Get it going. We're good to go. All right, boom, done. That's it. Of course, you could check it by graphing your answer, graphing the quadratic and finding the zeros, and then making sure that your answer matches. But at this point, I'm just going to keep it moving. So let's go here. I'm going to stop and post.